Alam nyo ba na napalitan na ang pangalan ng PCOS ng mga kababaihan, yung Polycystic Ovary Syndrome? Right now, PMOS na siya. Famous. So, from PCOS going to PMOS. So, ngayon, ang kanya ng pangalan is Polyendocrine Metabolic Ovarian Syndrome. So, nag-upgrade na. So, na-finalize ito following a global consensus published in the Lancet. So, ito ay pinangunahan ng mga major international medical societies including the Endocrine Society and the American Society for Reproductive Medicine, along with patient advocacy groups. So, bakit nga ba? No? Bakit nga ba pinalitan? So, ito napalitan, it's because yung old name, yung PCOS, naka-focus kasi yon entirely sa ovaries. Sa ovaries, doon naka-focus. No? Ngayon, pinalitan na yung term, ginawa ng polyendocrine metabolic, kasi hina-highlights na nito na itong problemang ito ay hindi lang dapat nagko-concentrate doon sa ovary. Kailangan ay tinitingnan din ito, no, holistic ang datingan. So malawakan. When we say malawakan, the term that we're using here is systemic. Systemic yung approach na, hindi na sa ovary lang. Kumbaga, wala nang pinipinpoint. Ang tinutukoy na is, abay malawak ito. That's the reason why it's called systemic or polyendocrine metabolic. Yun yung datingan nito, no? So this is lifelong hormonal and metabolic condition heavily linked to insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, and cardiovascular risk o sakit sa puso, no? So ano yung nabago? Sa mga pasyente, sa mga merong PCOS, ano yung dapat yung tandaan? The thing is, or the diagnostic criteria, symptoms, and existing treatments remain the same. Okay. Remain the same, parehas lang. So ngayon, ang mangyayari, yung medical world, mag-a-adjust, no? Magkakameron sila ng 3-year transition period to update the medical textbook, electronic health records, and diagnostic guidelines, no? With full implementation expected sa 2028. So may adjustment, no? So ang goal ng pangyayaring ito, the new name is to reduce diagnostic delays para hindi ma-delay yung mga diagnostics, no, ma-minimize yung stigma, and ma-shift yung care towards a more comprehensive whole body approach. Okay? And for those of you na merong PCOS or PMOS, yan, may PMOS, Cardiclear or fish oil will support you. Ito tumutulong sa pagbabalanse ng inyong hormones or kung ano man yung outcomes because of the hormonal imbalances. This one will help. Once a day lang to. And it will support what you're experiencing right now. So it helps. So meron ito sa Watson and sa mga leading drugstore. And syempre meron dito sa online. The good thing about online is i-deliver na sa doorstep nyo, less hassle, and sometimes nagsasale. Abangan nyo lang yung sale and then malaki yung madi-discount ninyo. Cardiclear for support for PMOS. Bye for now.